Hello, today's video is about Radioddity GA-5WB, which is the latest handheld from Radioddity, which is kind of unique in a way that you can pair your radio with Android phone through Bluetooth, and you can control from the cell phone. It has GPS, APRS built in, so it's almost like a Verovia N7600, and the price is okay. And for pre-sale, I got free cup holder. I'll be doing unboxing and showing how to pair the radio to the Android phone. So let's go. Okay, so here's the box I received. I'm going to open it. Very slowly. So I have two things, as I mentioned. It's a holder, it's the radio, so let's open the less important first. It's the holder. It's nicely built. I don't own car, so how would I use? I have no idea. It's the instruction. Okay. Okay. Let's go to the radio, please. Enough already. Okay, so this is the radio. It's just like any other handheld. Battery. And the clip. Antenna. Guess you can change it. And USB-C cable. It's the instruction. You can get it from the Radioddity site now. So let's assemble it. is no switch. You have to turn the knob to turn on, and all is also volume control. Okay, so assembled. Let's turn on, then nothing is configured. You can configure the radio on the radio itself, unlike a Vero one with headless transceiver. But as I said, you can also set up with the Android phone once you pair it. So the pairing has to be turned on. So I'll turn it on, then bring up my old Android phone. Okay, so first the Bluetooth has to be turned on the phone, so it's on. And run the HT app. So you click on pair the device, or whatever it's called, new device and walkie-talkie, and the radio should show up there. Here you go, and click on bind. Then connect. Then here you go. You can change it once it's paired. You can change the frequency from the phone. Yeah, the frequencies are changing. Just blurred, but frequencies are changing. So okay, that's all for now. Thank you for watching. I'll be making more movies about this radio, so stay tuned. Bye.